Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a kid's profile on Netflix. So if you want to let your children watch Netflix but don't want them to watch any inappropriate shows or movies, you can just set up a profile as kid on the Netflix account. So what you need to do to have that kids profile is just you can open your Netflix in here. You can open it on your TV or on your browser like this, and then you can just head to this photos right here at the top right corner. You can see the profiles in here, and then you can just tap on manage profiles. So after that, you'll be directed to this manage profile page on the Netflix. Now just click on add profile in here to add a new kids profile. Now you can just name it as your child's name. For example, I'm going to just go with my kids name, and after that here if you want to make it as a kids profile, don't forget to enable this kids profile, so only see kid friendly TV shows and movies. You can just enable this and then tap on save. So click on done, and as you guys can see, it's different from the other profiles. The kids profile will be labeled as kids, so when you tap on the kids profile or go to the kids profile, the shows or movies shown in here will only be appropriate for children to watch or kids. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also.